World 10K is an amazing platform for featuring a civil society organization that you believe in or you have a personal connection with. It allows you to engage with your friends and family and also remind them that they are part of a community that they need to give back to. So my whole journey started with my desire to make a small positive impact in someone's life. But the platform provided me a lot more. I inspired people to give, and then those people inspired more people to give. And before we knew it, our impact had already quadrupled. I signed up to raise a very small amount for a small NGO based out of Delhi called Astha. Astha provides services to families and children with disability. Raising funds, really asking people to open up their wallets is not always easy, but I can assure you that it actually works. Not everybody is going to jump out and be part of the journey, but you will have a good chunk of it, and that's what really makes the difference. So some of the methods I really used was to really spam people. So don't be afraid to let people know that and remind them, because oftentimes it's not that they don't care, they just get busy with their lives. So reminding is a good thing. So don't be afraid and just go spam people and remind them that you are signing up and that the date is approaching, and so do that periodically. Oftentimes you might even want to call a few of your folks that you know them well, and tell them if they have questions about the NGO, because I think it's important for people to believe that the cause that you're standing for is actually doing good work, and everybody wants to be part of such a great initiative. So I would say follow up, follow up, follow up. There isn't any other way to do it. We get enough emails and communication every day, so you want to make sure that your word is heard, and that is the best way to do it. We all live in a community, and I think it's only us that can give back to the community. We all have busy lives, but I think it's our duty to really take the time out to support the civil society organizations that are doing some amazing work for the society.